Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we are in a new trading week, heading into a new trading week. Unfortunately, so far quite a boring one. There's a few things that happened this week. For example, core PCE data, lots of unemployment data coming out. Hopefully that will shake the markets up a little bit. For now, Bitcoin is just following our script. Yeah, I just want to focus on the microstructure in this video. Nothing happened if we take a look at the bigger picture. So yesterday I did that. Feel free to check out my last video for a little bit more context. But yeah, at the moment, we are still in this triangle. A, B, C, D, E is the idea of this structure. So if you just see letters, correct, but no. Elliott Wave, there are certain patterns, and the triangle, the so-called triangle, there are certain rules that go with it, with this pattern. Yeah, certain strict rules and also guidelines. And it's a 5-wave move. It's called A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, this is a sequence of 5 waves. Each of these is a subwave, is a corrective structure. So I gave my best here to count the microstructure within it, which is extremely challenging because there will be different possibilities, right? Different possibilities, and they also change a lot, especially on the microstructure, because in corrections, you need to remember there are more than 10 different corrective structures. So you already have the triangle, which could morph into a different corrective structure. Within these triangles, you have 5 waves, each of them corrective. So each of these corrective waves can morph into different structures. And within these then, for example, if you have an ABC structure in wave C, the B wave can also morph into a more complex correction. So it's a big mess to try to do micro counting in corrections, but I think it's going nicely. It's working nicely. At the moment, Bitcoin reacted here in this B wave. So first of all, the assumption is we are in the D wave of the triangle. That is a WXY structure, and Bitcoin reacted to the resistance area I gave you yesterday, which is ideal because we wanted to see a C wave to the downside in an ideal world. Yeah. So this C wave seems to be playing out, not impulsive, so it looks a bit like a diagonal on the microstructure, could do with another low. Then this should be complete at some point, ideally, and give us an E wave higher, which would be a lower high. And then with that E wave completed, we could complete the triangle. Be aware that these triangles always can extend until they break out. So the breakout point is down here, which is the 25,380 level. Now, once we have the D wave in place, and as I said, ideally, this small C wave within the D wave goes a little lower and would go below, or at least to the same level of the A wave low, and that's at 25,760. And if we then get the E wave in place, come down, and that level breaks, then we have a first indication that the triangle breaks. Confirmation with a break of the B wave low, and then it should go lower. And as a next target, maybe not the final one, but as a next target, I'm watching 24K. There's a lot of projections coming to that level, so that would be ideal. Yeah, contracting trend lines looks really like a triangle. I mean, maybe a bearish pennant here. After a strong downtrend, just consolidation. And I remain focused on that base case of another low, as long as Bitcoin stays below 27,720. Of course, the triangle itself could invalidate if we see a break to the upside. And that would, for example, be a break above 26,820. Yeah, because then we break above the C wave high, and you need to see lower highs and higher lows in such a triangle. So if that happens, then most likely it's a different structure. It's not a triangle. It's actually this WXY structure, which is then unfolding. And in the Y wave, we have an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. But again, at the moment, I think that this is adhering to the triangle nicely. So at the moment, I have no reason to change to another pattern. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.